Install tkinter for Python. I am trying to import tkinter. However, I get an error stating that tkinter has not been installed. I could probably install it using Synaptic Manager, can I? However, I would have to install it on every machine I program on. Would it be possible to add the tkinter library into my workspace and reference it from there?
It is not very easy to install tkinter locally to use with system-provided Python. You may build it from sources, but this is usually not the best idea with a binary package-based distro you're apparently running. It's safer to apt-get install Python TK on your machines. Works on Debian-derived distributions like for Ubuntu. Refer to your package manager and package list on other distributions.
Actually, you just need to use the following to install the tkinter for Python 3. In addition, for Fedora users, use the following command.
If, like me, you don't have root privileges on your network because of your wonderful friends in IIS, and you are working in a local install, you may have some problems with the above approaches. I spent ages on Google, but in the end, it's easy. Download the TCL and TK from this URL, and install them locally too. To install locally on Linux, I did it to my home directory, extract the tar.gz files for TCL and TK. Then open up the readme files inside the /Unix directory. I ran. It may seem a pain, but the files are tiny and installation is very fast. Then rerun python setup.py build and python setup.py install in your Python installation directory, and it should work. It worked for me, and I can now import tkinter etc. to my heart's content, yippee yay! An entire afternoon spent on this, hope this note saves others from the pain.
If you are using Python 3, it might be because you are typing tkinter, not tkinter.
Wow,